Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mary Jane Juan, a property consultant of Green Circle Realty, one of the marketing arms of Lancaster New City. So, andito po kami ngayon sa Lancaster New City para maipakita sa inyo ang aming pinakabagong single attached unit, which is Dennis. Okay, so ito po yung ating Dennis area. So, family who loves outdoor activities, this is the best home for you. So, Dennis is a two-story single attached. It has a floor area of 52 square meters and a lot area of 80 square meters. Okay, so since malaki yung lot area niya, so we have a carport provision here. Pasok tayo sa loob. Okay, what's inside, Dennis? So we have here one bedroom. And we also have two bedrooms upstairs. Lahat po ng bedrooms with partition na po. Okay. So we have here a service area. Malaki po yung bathroom natin. Okay. So pwede tayong gumawa dito ng isang dirty kitchen. Okay, so how about the lot area? Yan, hanggang dito po yan. So may mga naka-ready na rin home lines, electricity, and cable. Okay, so we have toilet and bath dito sa baba. Okay, we have kitchen. So, let's go upstairs. So, as I mentioned a while ago, we have two bedrooms upstairs and with partition. So, this is the turnover unit. Okay. So, two bedrooms, one here, and the other one, which is the master's bedroom. Ito po yun. So, ang master's bedroom, merong toilet and bath. Okay, so we have here a tiled toilet and bath. Okay. So ito po yung pinaka-turnover ng ating Dennis. Now, we're going to show you the dress-up model of Dennis. Kayo sa gardening, mahilig sa flowers, mahilig sa outdoor activities, this will fit their need. Okay, so paano na maximize ang space ng Dennis? So we have one bedroom here. Okay, we have a backward area. We have here the kitchen. And then toilet and bath. You can have your own mini bar. This is the living area. Okay, and then sa taas po, meron po tayong dalawang bedrooms. Of course, those two bedrooms. Okay, so ito po yung isang bedroom sa taas. And then this is the master's bedroom. Okay. And of course, meron din po tayong toilet and bath sa taas. Okay, now, for just 2.5 M, you can own already this Denise unit, a single attached unit. You can avail this at its introductory price. So while the price is right, it's time for you to invest. It's time for you to schedule a tripping and then book this Denise unit. So whatever questions, you can reach me at 09999765 and 0916-323-0904. This is Mary Jane Kwan. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.